Today is the day. Today, just after 11 o'clock, the FDA finally released the 2023 Cybersecurity Guidance Document, the final version, not another draft. I've been saying for 9 months now, any day now, this is going to drop. The FDA is going to release the final guidance. Well, they waited until the very end of the fiscal year. With the end of the fiscal year is this weekend, and they waited to the last minute to drop this, and that's helped out a lot of companies that needed to have a little bit more time to prepare for the cybersecurity requirements. But the big change is here. Now you are going to have to provide cybersecurity testing, not just a plan, not just a risk management analysis. You're going to have to provide test reports now. So that means the E-Star is going to get longer and there's going to be more attachments. They haven't updated the E-Star yet. I expect that probably next week. I'm sure they already have it done and they just haven't released it yet. The date on it says October 2nd, but it was released today. And so next week, when you start submitting your 510Ks, this may be the new requirement. So check for the new E-Star templates very shortly. But here's what you're going to find in the new guidance. Number one, I'll explain a little bit of the history here. The first cybersecurity guidance was released in 2014. It was only 9 pages long. The first update draft was 2018. That was 24 pages. Industry wasn't too happy with that. They clarified a lot of things. They backed off on the cybersecurity bill of materials, changed it to a software bill of materials, but they added more clarity. We're going to require testing reports. That was the 2018, the 2022 draft guidance that said, here's more detail. We need these test reports, need a software bill of materials. That was 48 pages long. The new final one that was released today, 57 pages long. And yes, vulnerability testing is in there. Pen testing is in there. So you're going to have to do this. That means you need to find a new vendor. I've been telling you for 9 months, find a vendor now. Well, we've been looking too. We found a vendor for you, which brings me to my next announcement. So down below, if you follow the links down below, there's a link for the guidance. You don't even have to go to the FDA website to hunt it down. Just click on this video link and you will get the link to download the guidance from our website. It's already there. Number two, tomorrow we're doing a webinar. We had already planned on doing a webinar. We kind of thought maybe the stars will align. They aligned absolutely perfectly. So they released it today. Tomorrow's our webinar. Red Sentry is going to be our guest. We're doing an interview tomorrow. It's going to be a live one for anybody that registers. So if you click on the link below, you will see a link for Red Sentry, about us. That's the cybersecurity testing firm that we're going to have as a guest tomorrow. And I also have provided a link down below for our FDA cybersecurity training webinar page. You can register for that training webinar for free. That will get you a Zoom link to attend the meeting tomorrow, and you can ask questions live to a real cybersecurity testing firm. This is what they do. They specialize in pen testing. They specialize in doing the vulnerability testing. They use automated tools so they can do it faster and cheaper. That's in your budget. And when I say it's in your budget, what I expect by somebody saying we can do this quickly and in our budget, it's not going to be a $100,000 six-figure expenditure. It's going to be a 5-figure expenditure. Maybe it'll be a little less depending on how small your project is. But most of the medical device companies we see out there, we expect this to be $10,000, $20,000 expenditure. And we were seeing quotes of hundreds of thousands, and we were seeing 6-month lead times. This company is doing it quickly, and they're doing it within your budget. And this is what they do well. This is what they specialize in, doing it for small companies. And they provide automated tools to do a lot of the real-time monitoring throughout the year, as well as pen testing that you would do periodically. So that's what you're looking forward to tomorrow. Our speaker is going to be Valentina Flores. She's the CEO of Red Sentry, so we're really excited to have her. Our whole team is going to be on the call as well, and you'll be able to ask actual questions. So this is a live webinar. You'll actually be able to ask questions. She's going to present a slide deck. She's going to walk through some Q&A with us before and after this presentation. And to really put the cherry on top, you need procedures for cybersecurity as well. So you can't just do the testing. You need to build the system so it'll pass the testing. So you need to do cybersecurity risk assessment. That's one of the things. You have to do threat modeling. You have to document this. You have to attach it and submit it to the FDA. Well, Bhoomika's been furiously working on our cybersecurity procedures and templates. She's almost got it done, and thankfully, there weren't a lot of changes. I've been telling people they keep 2018 to 2022, they just added more detail, more clarification, not new requirements. So I didn't expect a big change when they released the final, and they didn't. It's a little longer, a little more clarity, but not different. So if you've been following what we've been recommending, you're going to be in good shape. But that's what Bhoomika's done. She's created a new version of our cybersecurity procedure and templates based on feedback we're getting real time from the FDA from different projects. And we hope this will help you prepare for that security testing. So when you go to a pen tester, you can pass that testing, and any vulnerabilities that are identified, you can fix those quickly. So that's what this is all about. So down below, links. Number one, link to the guidance. You can download it right from our website. Number two, link for Red Sentry if you want to schedule a call with them or get a quote. Third, sign up for the free webinar that's tomorrow. That's on our FDA cybersecurity page. It's a cybersecurity training webinar that's free. And last but not least, Bhoomika's updated procedure and templates. And one little last thing, if you buy the cybersecurity procedure this month, all the way till October 31st, it will be $199. So we haven't increased the price yet. I've been warning you, I'm going to increase the price. End of October, October 31st, goes up to $399. So it'll be one of our more expensive procedures because the amount of work that's gone into it and how important this is. But you can get it in the month of October for $199. So buy it now. I hope that helps, and I hope to see you at our webinar tomorrow. And I'm really excited about this. So hopefully you've been listening and preparing for the cybersecurity testing that you need going forward in 2024. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.